In this video, we will show the correct and safe way to assemble a Philips 2020 Android television.
The models that this video pertains to are the 43, 50, 55, and 65 PFL 5604/F7-A or /F7-C, as well as the 43, 50, 55, and 65 PFL 5704/F7-A. There are other videos available for previous year's Android televisions, which will end without an A or a C after the /F7. The carton you see here is for the 65 PFL 5604/F7A. Upon opening the box for your brand new Philips Android television, you should see the two stands as well as a bag containing the remote control, the batteries, and some screws. You'll want to set these items aside. Make sure that you have them sorted so that when you go to assemble the television, it's ready to go. If you look at the remote, you'll turn it face down and the back cover will slide off. This will allow you to insert the two batteries. The stands do have arrows on them pointing to the front. Those arrows should face the screen, and each of the stands is attached with two Phillips head screws, so you will want to have a Phillips head screwdriver available. The easiest way to assemble the television is to lay it face down carefully on a flat surface while still in the bag and with the cardboard protector. Then attach the stands again with the arrows facing the front of the screen, 2 screws per stand. At that point, once the stand is attached to the bottom, you'll be able to stand up the television, and then you can carefully remove the bag and the protective cardboard. This is the best way to assemble the television to minimize any chance of damaging the screen or the finish on the frame of the television. So congratulations, you've now set up your television. It is physically standing there and it is ready for you to plug it in, hook up your devices to it, and complete the initial setup. Please check back for the second video in our series, which will walk you through the entire initial setup of your brand new Philips Android television.